California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for San Bernardino County in Southern California until 9:45 p.m. PDT. At 6:44 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.75 and 1.25 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.75 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fontana, Ontario, Rialto, Chino, I-15 through the Cajon Pass, Rancho Cucamonga, Upland, Montclair, Denver, and San Antonio Heights.